Subornation of perjury. That is a crime. Yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative, subornation of perjury. Parang papailan ko ng kaso.
Kung Dan Fernandez put the paper he was holding on the table and told me, ito ang sasabihin mong statement na ito. Ito ang supplemental affidavit ni Colonel Garma. Sabihin mo, alam mo ang reward system. I-confirm mo lang. Kung Abante asked me how many years those still I have with the PNP, I answered, I still have 4 years before my retirement. Then he made a remark, pwede ka pang maging general. Gusto nilang magsisinungaling po ako, Your Honor.